North Winchester off of Dominagati Parkway is the new construction hotspot in our area, with dozens of new developments from several different builders popping up all over the valley. I've already covered Luminary by TriPoint Homes and the Praderas by D.R. Horton in previous videos, and today I'm going to tell you all about Courts by Taylor Morrison. This is the same builder developing the master community Sienna about 10 minutes to the south in French Valley, or what I like to call South Winchester. Courts is actually the first part in a two-part master community by Taylor Morrison, the second half being called Towns. These are attached condos and townhomes, and I'll be covering those in a separate video. Today I'm going to cover the location of Courts, its proximity to shopping, the freeway, and other points of interest. I'll follow that up with information about the amenities, schools, property taxes and HOA, and finally I'll go into details on the different floor plans and current pricing before ending the video with my full model home walkthrough of residences 1 through 3, so that's all the floor plans, so stick around for that at the end. Also keep in mind my new construction disclaimers. First, that you should contact me directly to set up an appointment to see these models. I must be present with you on your first visit if you want my services and insights on your lot and the new construction process. Secondly, remember that any prices you see here will not reflect upgrades and premiums. I encourage my buyers to estimate about 10% more than the price they see advertised online to account for any of these extra costs. It may be slightly more or slightly less, but you should be prepared either way. Third, remember that your landscaping in your backyard is not completed for you, and you will be responsible for landscaping after you move in. You generally have 6 months to a year to let the HOA know what you plan on doing with your backyard. Courts is located about 10 minutes east of Menifee in North Winchester, adjacent to the junction with Highway 79 or Winchester Road, which has direct access to French Valley, Murrieta, Temecula, and wine country. Businesses are already popping up at the intersection of Dominagati Parkway and the 79, and if you've driven by, you've likely seen the new McDonald's with the opening soon sign displayed. Being 10 minutes east of Menifee, it will take about that long to access the I-215 freeway, where you can also find many big box stores and restaurants such as Target, Best Buy, Panera Bread, and other national and local brand business shops. The closest grocery store is Stater Bros, located about 7 minutes away off of Menifee Road heading west into Menifee. When it comes to amenities, Courts will share a pool area with Towns in the southern portion of the master community, and there will be a tot lot, walking trails, and pocket parks in a couple locations throughout the development. Outside Courts, if you're into the Temecula wine tasting scene, this neighborhood is located about 20 minutes north of some of the 50-plus wineries out in Temecula wine country. HOA dues are estimated to be $140 a month after build-out, and property taxes are estimated to be 1.7%, including all special assessments. I should also point out that this community has alleyway-style garage access, meaning that most home sites do not come with a driveway. Rather, you will have to park in your garages overnight. In fact, only a couple Residence 1 floor plans have what could be considered a driveway with enough space to park a car outside. Like Luminary and the Praderas, Courts is part of the Hemet Unified School District, with assigned schools being Winchester Elementary, Rancho Viejo Middle School, and Tahquitz High School. If schools are important to you, I recommend reviewing these sites on greatschools.org to get all the insights you may need. Getting into the homes, there are 3 unique floor plans here in Courts, ranging from just over 1,800 square feet to almost 2,400 square feet. Structural options are limited to electrical upgrades, so the number of bedrooms and bathrooms are fixed. You cannot add bedrooms and bathrooms. All of the homes are 2-story with a 2-car garage, and the lot sizes are generally on the smaller size. We're talking under 4,000 square feet, with few exceptions. There are design packages available for each floor plan, but as for standard features, the home has carpet throughout the living space and bedrooms, with vinyl planks at the entryway, kitchen, laundry room, and all the bathrooms. Standard cabinets are white shaker style with chrome handles, and countertops throughout the home are quartz with a 4-inch backsplash where the countertop meets the wall. Looking at the actual floor plans, Residence 1 has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 1,846 square feet, starting at $493,000. It has an open floor plan downstairs, including the entryway, dining room, great room, and kitchen. There's also a downstairs powder room. All of the bedrooms are upstairs, along with the laundry room and the loft. The upstairs hall bathroom has a tub, but the primary bathroom does not. Jumping over to the Residence 2, it has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,151 square feet, starting at $513,000. The first floor is similar to the Plan 1 in layout, but slightly larger with a hallway leading to the powder room by the stairs. All 4 bedrooms are on the second floor, including the laundry room and the loft. Just like the Residence 1, the hall bathroom includes a tub, while the primary bathroom does not. And finally, Residence 3 has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and is 2,375 square feet, starting at $528,000. There is a downstairs bedroom in this home, along with a full bathroom with a shower. The great room, dining room, and kitchen are open to each other at the back of the home. The other 3 bedrooms are upstairs, along with the laundry room, loft, and a small tech center. The bedrooms in this home are more spacious than in the other 2 floor plans. In terms of availability, as of the end of March 2024, all of these floor plans have home sites available with estimated move-in dates between June and August of this year. Lot 96, which is a plan 2, will be ready in May and is priced at $539,340, and that includes all of the options and upgrades, so that is the final price. I bring this up because move-in ready homes are more highly incentivized, usually including higher closing cost credits or credits towards options, solar, or prepaid HOA. It's never guaranteed, but it's good to keep on your radar. Something else to keep in mind is that with new construction, almost always the price goes up with every phase release. So with courts being early in construction, this is likely the best pricing that we'll see in here. Now I'm going to show you in full the uninterrupted model tours that I took just the other day. The current pricing, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other features will be on the screen, and my phone number will be down in the bottom right corner. If you want to go see these models, just let me know, shoot me a text, and we'll go check it out. All right, let's jump into these model tours. And that's going to wrap up this introduction to Quartz by Taylor Morrison. I hope it was helpful to you. Again, remember to reach out to me directly if you'd like to go see these models or any other models at new construction throughout the Temecula Valley, Murrieta, Menifee, or Winchester. For more new construction videos, you can subscribe to the channel and check out my playlists on new construction. I'm updating them constantly and adding new content every week. As always, I wish you well, and we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.